welcome back to my channel. I have not sat down and filmed a video like this in what feels like forever, honestly. So this is about to be a good one. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my tips for growing on YouTube in 2019. I'm just going to share with you guys some of my tips, some of my tricks, what I've learned, just all that good stuff in this video. So let's just get into it. I'm just gonna throw this out there before I even start. I'm probably not the best person to even be like talking about this. I definitely think that I've learned a lot that I can share with you guys, and my channel has definitely grown compared to even where it was last year. I think last year around this time-ish, I was only at 1,000 subscribers, and I think right now I'm around like 17,000 subscribers. So I've definitely grown a lot the past year, and I've definitely learned a lot of things. I don't have like hundreds of thousands of subscribers, so if you're looking to like grow like that, this probably isn't the video for you, but there are some things that I can share with you guys. Also, before I start, I want to make it clear that it is not about the subscribers. Numbers don't mean everything in so many different ways. One, numbers don't mean everything in the aspect of like people and brands don't just look at how many subscribers you have, they look at your interaction and how many views you get on your videos and how many comments you have and likes and all this different stuff, and same goes for Instagram. It's not just about the number. Numbers don't mean everything, and also numbers don't mean everything in the aspect of like a number does not define you. Like your number of subscribers, views per video, all that stuff, like that number does not define you. So if you have 100, 500, 1,000 subscribers, that does not mean that you're not cool, or I don't know, that just like doesn't mean anything. Same for if you have like millions and millions of subscribers, like your number does not define you, and it shouldn't be all about the number and like trying to get to this certain number. It should be more about like the journey and like putting your love into something and sharing stuff with the world. Like that's what it should be about, you know? I think the thing that I've learned and the thing that I've said since like day one is it literally takes one video. Like one. It takes one video to really kickstart your channel. I think a lot of the struggle of posting videos and like not gaining subscribers or anything like that is because people just aren't seeing your content. They're not seeing your videos, they're not finding them. Either they're not searchable or you just don't have enough views on your videos or anything like that. People just can't find it. So once you have a video that kind of gets out there, your name and your face gets out there, and then people start watching your other videos, and then I think after you have like that one video, that's when you really start to grow. The one video that I put out that has done really well is the Starbucks Baristas Pick My Drinks for a Week. I think it has like 500,000 views or something like that. That video did really well, which allowed more traffic to my channel, which of course, you know, the whole cycle. I ended up gaining subscribers, and that video will continue getting views, so I'll continue gaining subscribers and more people will see my videos, and because that video did well, more people have seen my face, stuff like that. I do think a lot of my channel growth has come from that video. I also think it's from other videos. I've had a couple other videos I think that have done like pretty well, and I'm sure you guys have found me like through those videos. Comment down below what video you found me through. I'm very curious. Comment that down below. But the thing is, you don't exactly know what that one video is going to be, and that's why it's super important to put out videos you're proud at, to really enjoy the content you're putting out, because you really don't ever know which video of yours is going to do well. Just because one type of video did really well for someone doesn't mean that that same video, you could post the same exact video and put your own spin on it, doesn't mean that that video is going to do as well for you. It's almost just like luck of the draw, and I do think a lot of it is just like luck, like which video starts to gain attraction. That just kind of spirals and leads to more subscribers. So you just have to continue posting. You can't give up. You have to keep going. You have to love it and just keep putting your all into it. And then one day, hopefully one of your videos will do really well, and it just kind of, you know, goes from there. But I truly do believe that it just takes like one video, and it's just like playing the lottery. You're scratching a ticket every time you upload a video. Like, is this one gonna do well? Is this one gonna do well? It also takes a lot of time. It doesn't happen overnight. You don't just wake up and have a bunch of subscribers, or just wake up and one of your videos has a bunch of views on it or anything like that. It takes time, and it takes a lot of hard work and a lot of dedication. And if you want to grow your channel and grow your subscribers, you really have to be willing to put in that work. I think consistency is a big thing a lot of people overlook. Consistency is so important. If you have a video that does really well, you start gaining subscribers, but then you're not posting, you're only posting like once a month or like once every other month or even twice a month, just not posting consistently, people don't want to stay because you don't have any videos that are coming out. So yeah, they subscribed to you and they found your channel, but you don't have anything for them to keep up with. They don't really get to know you because you're posting so infrequently. And especially having an uploading schedule, I think it's a big thing. I know not everybody does it. I do it just to keep me on track, but I think having an uploading schedule is a great way to let people know when you're posting. If people know that you post Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, they're gonna know that day to look out for a video for you around this time because they know that's your uploading schedule, as opposed to just kind of waiting for a video from you. I think being consistent and having an uploading schedule definitely definitely helps to grow your channel. Interacting with your subscribers and other creators is so important and like part of the whole thing. Like that's part of the reason that I love this so much, is not just for making videos and editing and sharing something that I created with you guys, but being able to comment and like interact with you guys is the best thing ever. And to interact with like my YouTube friends, I'll link some of them down below. Go check them out. Like that's like the best part, is being able to interact with people on the platform and with the people that support you and love your videos, and to be able to connect on something is so fun. It's so amazing. It's so overlooked, but when you interact with your subscribers, you're really building a relationship that makes people want to come back. They find something in you that they like and that they want to keep watching for, and they enjoy talking to you, and they enjoy knowing that like you're going to respond to their comment and you're going to be able to talk back and forth with them. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know this one, but post trendy videos. Like that's one of the best ways to get your videos out there, because somebody has to find your video. That's how you get seen. That's how you grow your channel. That's how you get subscribers and get more views. Is you have to post videos that people can find. And posting trendy videos is a great way to do that, because it's something that people are searching for, and it's something that's like a hot topic. So like my Starbucks baristas video, or like the letting the person in front of me pick what I eat for 24 hours thing that's really popular right now, or even just tag videos, anything like that. Anything that's just a super trendy video at the time is way more likely to gain attraction to your channel, and you have a greater likelihood of more people seeing that video. But make sure you put your own spin on it, because you don't want to just create the same video that everybody else is making. Put your own little spin on it. Try and think of a creative way to do the same video in like a different way. Like the Starbucks baristas pick my drinks for a week, like letting them pick your drinks, or I did one on letting your subscribers, or I've seen a bunch of different versions of that video that is all creative and it's so fun to watch, but it's a little bit different and unique to each person. And like throw your editing style in there, like throw stuff in the video that like makes you you, and like show people who you are in those videos, even though they are trendy videos that are really hot at the moment. Make sure people can see who you really are by adding your own little twist to it. Don't just post the trendy videos that everybody wants to see. Post stuff that you enjoy making as well. It's not just important to post videos that are going to get your channel out there, but also videos that like you genuinely enjoy making, and stuff that is very relevant to you, and stuff that you want to put out. This could be different for every person. It's all about what you like. If you like to just sit down and talk to a camera, sit down and talk to a camera. Throw those videos in there along with the videos that are like trendy or searchable, or videos that people want to see. Throw in videos that you like to do, or vlogs. If you like doing vlogs, throw in stuff so that when people find your channel, they know what kind of content you post. The next two things are more of the technical type stuff that can help to grow your channel. First one being, don't overlook how important a thumbnail and title is. One of the most important parts of the video, along with the description box. Make sure that your thumbnail is super eye-catching. That thumbnail is gonna be what makes people want to click on your videos. So if your video pops up in the suggested, or on the trending, or on the homepage, like whatever it is, if your video pops up but a thumbnail isn't interesting, people aren't gonna watch it. But if you have an interesting, eye-catching thumbnail, people are gonna see it on the suggested and be like, oh, what's that video about? And go and click it. There you go, there's a click. There's another subscriber, another potential subscriber, and another view on your video. Also, having a really interesting thumbnail that isn't too clickbait, but catches somebody's attention, is like, whoa, what's that about? That makes people want to watch the video. This is really different for every video, but just something that would make you interested. Like something, if you saw that video and you saw the title, like, would you want to watch it? Would that appeal to you? Would that catch your attention? And also the description box, just talking about the video. I always try and put something that has to do with my video in the title, the description, and then in the tag, so it's in 3 different places. I try to write like a little something to you guys in the description just for fun, but I try to include like some keywords in there, or something that people might search. Don't underestimate the power of a description box. Put links to your Instagram, your Twitter, Snapchat, whatever social media you use, your Pinterest. Include that important stuff in there, as well as to make sure that you're tagging your video. Make sure that you're using that little box thing at the end of your video and putting in keywords and tags that people might be searching. There's like all kinds of different keyword tools that you guys can use. I'll try and find some to link down below, but it just kind of helps to see what people are searching for, what other video titles kind of go along with what you're posting, and it's another avenue for people to find your videos pretty much. So I always try to tag my videos and add all kinds of keywords. That definitely helps people to find your videos, and so it's super important to spend the time in doing that. YouTube gives you so many amazing tools. Make sure you're utilizing them. Like, they give you so many different things. You have end screens. Utilize the end screen. Make sure that you plug your channel at the end, and then like put a couple playlists that people can go check out, or make a playlist that can keep people watching for longer if they watch a video in your playlist and then they just keep watching and watching and watching, and then that gets more views on your videos, could end up in another subscriber. Utilize the cards in your videos. If somebody's a new viewer and they watch your video and you have a card and that catches their attention, they might go watch that video as well. YouTube has like creator videos that you can go and watch and learn how to grow your channel or their tips. Go watch that, go use that. They put that out there for a reason because people are coming up with it and trying to help you learn how to create your channel and how to grow your channel. So use the stuff that they give you. They give you a ton of great stuff. Last thing I'm gonna talk about, and that is cross-promoting your videos. This is something I am terrible at doing and I need to get better at doing it, but cross-promoting on other platforms is really gonna give you more traction, because if you're posting on different websites, you might get different views from, you know, all your social media. So if you post a YouTube video, post that YouTube video link in your Instagram, like put it up on your story or something, or post a picture about your video, or go on Twitter and send out the link on Twitter, or do Snapchat, put something on Snapchat, or even Facebook, send out the link, because all those different ways that you're putting your video out is just more ways, more avenues that people can find your video. Cross-promoting is such a great thing. If you posted a YouTube video but somebody missed it and then you post about it on your Instagram story and they're like, oh my gosh, how did I miss that video? They're gonna go watch. You know, it just helps to gain more viewers and more subscribers. Okay, you guys, that's about it for this long, drawn-out video. I'm so sorry. I don't know how long this video is, but I have a feeling it was quite a long one. I hope these tips help you guys out if you guys are trying to grow your channel or are thinking about making a channel. If there's any other videos you want to see in this little series about YouTube related stuff, leave that down below and I will try to get to those. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe by clicking down below and give this video a thumbs up for me. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll link that right here. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys!